Cheers. It's just mineral water. I don't drink on the job. It's pretty nice out here tonight. We were supposed to have, well, we had a tornado warning. I don't know whatever happened to that, but I'm glad we're having a nice weather. So it's Memorial Day weekend. It's Saturday, May 27th. Hope everybody's doing good. I'm just pretty much hanging out by myself as usual. They say there's a lot of health benefits from eating garlic. I don't know if it's true, but I do eat a lot of it. So this is actually pretty relaxing right now. Like the weather's nice. It's not cold. It's not hot. It's nice and quiet out here. Those flames are pretty intense still. If I throw anything on there, I'm just gonna burn it, so I have to wait. I'm in no rush though. Dang, these are looking freaking good. That was good. I ate 2 tacos and a couple ribs. Man, if this isn't living like a king, I don't know what is. Well, I guess I'm just happy with the simple things, you know. I like cooking. That's actually very, it's kind of a therapy for me. Especially grilling outside, making food like from scratch. That's like the best thing ever.